Hi, in front of me I have HUAWEI Watch GT 2 Sport, and I'm gonna show you how to turn on the silent mode on this device. Let's start by pressing the power button to wake up the screen. Now let's press it again to open the menu. Here let's scroll down and tap on settings. Once in settings, let's scroll down and select sounds. Oh, my bad, sounds not display. And here we have a silent mode option right here. And we can turn it on by tapping the slider right here and turn it off by tapping it again. And that's how you turn on and off the silent mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to our channel and leave the like on the video.